What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right, so the other day I put that little box on my Instagram story asking if you've got any questions, and we got quite a few questions back, so I thought I'd do a bit of a Q&A in the new house with Laura. What's going on?
It's Tuesday.
It's just a Tuesday morning. We're just getting ready. Well, we just got ready and had a coffee and getting ready to start the day. So I thought we'd do a bit of a Q&A, to be honest. But there's loads of questions, guys, so we're going to get straight into it. We're going to put a bit of a timer on, so about a 15-minute time. I don't want this Q&A to drag on for ages, do you know what I mean? But yeah, let's get straight into it. So, first question is Jordan Wiley 01. Who have you got, Mike Tyson or Roy Jones Jr.? There's like a fight of like old fighters happening at the end of this month. Mike Tyson is a beast, but I listened to both the podcasts on Joe Rogan. Roy Jones is sick as well, but I just think Mike Tyson's maybe going to be a bit too powerful for him, so I think Tyson's maybe going to knock him out. Tyson honestly looks ferocious. I don't think anybody would want to get in the ring with him, no matter how old he is. Who do you think will do the most housework? Sarah My Styles. Who do you think?
Probably me.
To be honest,
You do the cooking.
we've got a bit of a schedule, haven't we? So you
System.
system. So she'll do the cleaning and I'll do the cooking, but
You empty the bins.
empty the bins, empty the dishwasher, do the hoovering. There's quite a lot.
Hoovering?
I have done hoovering.
Who did the hoovering yesterday?
Yeah, but I have done hoovering. Haven't I? Once, shut up. I've been hoovering up after you. Yeah, I have. Anyway, we do split it. We'll just split it, but she can do the cleaning because I don't know. I'm not really a fan of cleaning. I'm all right. I'm very tidy. I'm a very tidy person. That's why the house is very neat. But wiping and everything,
You don't like it?
can't be arsed with that. What is the most cherished moment that defined your career and your relationship with Laura? That is deep, isn't it?
Bloody hell.
That is deep for a 10 o'clock on a Tuesday morning. Cherished. I don't know.
I think the career is the ASOS one for you.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe getting an ASOS deal, that was... Because I wasn't expecting it. I was like, I can't get comfy on this chair, you know.
Sit forward.
Yeah, because I wasn't expecting it. And it came from nowhere, so probably that when ASOS emailed me and then called me saying that they want to work with me. Probably that, to be honest. And then with Laura.
Oh, most cherished moment.
Maybe the holiday to Croatia.
That was very good.
It was a very good holiday. Not cherished is a bit like back 30, 40 years ago. Cherished.
What do you cherish the most?
Right. There's quite a few. Ewan Freeman, Laura, or the new M5.
You've already answered this. You told me.
So if it's a normal M5, Laura, but if it's an M5's competition, the brand new one.
It's pack the Laura.
Pack your bags.
Who's going to do the cleaning for you, not the M5?
I know, yeah, I'd have to employ somebody to do the cleaning. Have you both found your dream house for the time being? Because I know you're scaling upwards, mate. Jay Cartwright. So what does that mean? Does that mean like for the future?
I think...
Or like for now?
Read it again. Have you found for the time being? So the dream house for now.
What? So this house?
Yeah. So have you found your dream house for now, for the time being? So is this how you want it to be? Because I know you're scaling upwards, so you know you're gonna get bigger ones. I can't stop me on it.
Oh, tired in my video. Yeah, to be honest, it's a very nice house. Like, wasn't really planning on moving out either. Like, it just kind of happened. Just kind of opportunity came across. So, and we've done it all how we want it as well. Like, we've got new carpets, all the furniture's picked out ourselves. I've got I've got my own studio office, which is sick. You probably would have seen. Oh no, you might not. You would have seen it in the house tour, yeah. But it's basically fully completed now, and it's nice to live on your own and have your own space. Like, it's full responsibility, full freedom. Have whatever you want for tea. Do you know what I mean? It's very nice. Obviously, it's more money and there's more bills going out, but
it's just life.
It's good to get in a habit of paying those bills because it's going to be that's what you're going to pay for the rest of your life, aren't you? So, right, let's move on. Where do you both see yourself in 5 years' time? David_hopes. 5 years' time. Obviously, it's hard to look into the future sometimes that far ahead, but 5 years' time, I want to have a warehouse for Sulfit. I want to be doing 7 figures revenue for Sulfit. Warehouse, a couple of members of staff.
M4?
No, not
M3?
M4.
R8?
Maybe Audi R8 or Lamborghini Huracan. 4-bedroom detached house with a garage. And this is all material things, isn't it? But obviously Sulfit is the main thing. I just want to grow Sulfit as much as I can. Maybe not married in 5 years.
How old will you be? 28?
29, 28. 29. So still quite young.
31?
Maybe a dog.
Yeah, definitely a dog.
Dog?
Definitely a dog in the next year.
In the next year she wants a dog.
In
so
this
yeah, maybe
year,
a dog.
2020. I'm
yeah.
joking.
What about you?
I don't know, you know.
You don't know? I think you do know. Girls always know, they just don't want to say.
I don't know career-wise though.
Oh, career-wise. She wants to be working for Sulfit head, don't you?
Head of everything.
Basically just my PA, and she's taking all the money from me.
I'll be the liaison saying no, he charges more than that.
Yeah, basically my agent maybe for like YouTube videos and stuff like that, if YouTube is still a thing. Hopefully it is. Hopefully it is. But yeah, 5 years is quite a long time, isn't it? But you can get a lot done in 5 years. Think about it, I only started YouTube like 3.5 years ago, maybe 4 years ago. But for the first 2 years, literally no progress happening. And in 2 years, it's kind of like I'm fully making a living from it now, and I can afford a house and a nice car and stuff like that. So you just got to keep going at stuff, and you keep chipping away every day. Right, next question. Let's have a look. What trips, holidays are you planning for next year? Let's hope we can travel. I know, let's hope we can travel, because this year has been a shocker, hasn't it? That's Brendan Garakti. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Well, I want to go to fucking everywhere, to be honest.
I want to go to Cappadocia.
Cappadocia?
Yeah.
Yeah, next year. Yeah.
Yeah, do you know?
It's on the bucket list, but I don't know about next year. Maybe. So I think
I think a Caribbean island, because we were supposed to go this year, weren't we?
Yeah, Caribbean island of some sort, so maybe
Italy.
Jamaica. Fucking how many trips are we going on?
We need to make up for this year, we've had 5 cancelled.
So maybe Jamaica, Dominican or Barbados, somewhere like that. Italy would be nice, but I was thinking Turkey. I thought we wanted to go to Turkey.
Turkey, I think in like May, June.
Yeah, so like a nice beach holiday in Turkey, because some of the hotels, like maybe Belek or somewhere like that with nice hotels, look really nice. It's nice, it might be nice to travel. Oh yeah, I want to go to an F1 race next year. If fans can be allowed, I want to go to an F1 race. Austria or Italy maybe. So we could kill 2 birds with one stone if we go Italy.
But we already had Vienna, so maybe we go Austria and Vienna. For
this year we had, what did we have? We had Dominican Republic cancelled in April.
Then Spain.
We were supposed to be going to Spain, like near Marbella in June. In August we were supposed to be going to Austria, Vienna. And then at Christmas time...
And Lanzarote was cancelled.
Oh yeah, Lanzarote in late September. And then in Christmas time we were supposed to be going to Orlando, Florida. So, to be honest, if those weren't cancelled, I probably wouldn't have a house. So
probably would be skinned.
It's one of them. It's pros and cons. So it's pretty lucky, really. But yeah, let's move on to the next question. Lots of holidays, basically, if we can go away.
Yeah, we haven't booked anything yet.
No, there's no point booking anything. Because Greece wasn't great either, having to wear a mask on the plane. It was not the one. Would you like to travel to Australia, Ethan? Yeah, I would, to be fair. It's not like priority. It's not a priority, but I definitely want to go there at some point in my life. It looks insane, but can't be asked with the snakes, to be honest. Snakes. Imagine the snakes just slithering around like in your bed in your house.
I don't think that happens in hotels. We're not going in the outback.
What age did you discover your interest in fashion? I age 2 months. No, the other day I was looking through my wardrobe and I found these like little trainers. Like my first pair of trainers ever. When I was probably like 20, to be honest. Like, I was always into clothes and fashion, but I could never find clothes that fit me properly well. That's why I wanted to start my own brand. Probably when I first got into the gym, you know, that's probably when I got into fashion as well.
College.
Yeah, probably that. Probably when I was like 19, 20. But I only started getting into it properly when I started my YouTube channel. And was probably like 18 months into my YouTube channel. Just started trying new things and started smashing it. Started following people on Instagram and watching videos, and then just kind of developed my own style. Oh yeah, before we move on to the next question as well, before I forget, I want to talk about today's video sponsor, guys. So you guys know my favourite accessories are always rose gold and black. I've been messing with this bracelet for a bit, but honestly guys, it's such good quality pieces, really affordable, not too expensive, and it matches really well with loads of different outfits. I've got this new bar necklace on here, well not new, but minimal bar necklace. I wear it with literally every outfit. If you want to check it out, there's going to be a link in the description. Go and get involved down there, and if you use my code as well, you get an extra 10% off. So use code JoshSull, I'll put it on the screen, an extra 10% off. There's already discounted stuff, like it's already 20% off, so you're getting some very good deals. Go and check it out, it's going to be the first link in the description. Alright, do you want to choose a question, Laura?
Go on then.
Just have a look, let's see. Bloody hell, some people ask well bad questions. What's the worst thing about buying a house together?
Okay now.
Okay now. That is going right in. It's not really anything bad, is it?
No.
People are negative, you need to have a positive outlook.
Where do you get your shoe shelving from? That's a big one.
Shoe shelving. So I put a story on my Instagram, and everyone was like DMing me like, where's this from, where's this from? And it's like a bookcase from IKEA. So
I get the credit for this.
Go on, Laura, you explain
No,
it. No, go on, I've been doing it.
I saw on Instagram a girl I follow, and it's just an IKEA bookshelf with added extra shelves, and the total cost, what would you say? It's like 40 quid.
40 quid. So the bookcase,
with the extra.
Yeah, the bookcase is 25 quid. The Billy, I'll link it in the description. It's called a Billy bookcase.
It's the most sold piece of flatback furniture worldwide.
That's mad. Everyone's using it for the shoes. Definitely not using it for books. I don't have that many books. But yeah, it's a really good idea. I think what was the girl called that you saw?
Kate Hutchins.
Kate Hutchins. It's a very good idea. And you just buy extra shelves, and you can fit. Well, with my size trainer, you can fit 10 pairs of trainers, which is sick. So 40 quid.
It's like a feature as well in the room, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks nice. Like you're going to see it on my styling videos and stuff. I'm going to be filming it next to it. Looks sick. So it's very good.
It's a good one. Who wears the trousers? Personally, I think Laura does. Not gonna lie.
To be honest, who does wear the trousers? It's obviously me. The guy who wears the trousers, she's wearing jeans or a skirt.
You've got trackies on?
Yeah, I've got joggers on.
It's definitely me.
It's not Laura. Laura doesn't wear the trousers. Laura only wears the trousers if I do something bad, yeah. And then gets angry. So
and then you get very scared.
Yeah. It's very bad. So basically I wear the trousers. Like, I'll make the final. She won't buy any furniture without asking me.
Well, yeah.
Which tells a lot.
Well, you wouldn't buy it without asking me, would you?
Well, I brought a poof home the other day.
Yeah, and where did it go?
To the tip.
So who wears the trousers?
Me.
What about Death Row Final Meal?
Ooh, Death Row Final Meal. That's a good question. Would it be a 3-course, or would you just have 1 course?
Go 3-course.
3-course for that? I think
you'd have either pilpil or calamari.
Yeah, I think for my starter I'd have to have like salt and pepper calamari. Ooh, that's very nice. Salt and pepper calamari, maybe some bread and butter on the side, some fresh bread. And then for the main it would have to be like a big fillet steak. A big one. It would have to be a big one. Mushrooms, homemade chips, onion rings, peppercorn sauce, medium rare.
Oh, what dessert?
Dessert would be cheesecake. It would have to be cheesecake. Oh, it's making me hungry, this. What would yours be?
Starter, maybe bruschetta.
Bruschetta?
Bruce said that, oh, garlic bread maybe. Like a pizza garlic bread.
Oh yeah, quite nice. With cheese on.
Yeah, with cheese. Maybe a half cheese, half tomato.
Maybe.
Probably fillet steak again.
Really?
Some nice like the green beans from Gusto where they've got like a bit of garlic in them.
You may as well just go Gusto because you can get the garlic bread and the fillet steak.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
So she's just hinting that she wants a date in Gusto, basically.
I think they should take away.
Yeah. But it's not going to be the same, is it? Maybe I can do a fake away or fake.
Gusto fake away.
Yeah, I'll have to make that. Yeah, what dessert?
Dessert, probably cheesecake.
Not
or maybe
jam roly poly.
No.
If Amelia's watching this, jam roly poly.
It was very nice.
I've never tried
it.
I've not tried jam roly poly. I think apparently it's supposed to be well nice.
I'm a convert.
Right, we'll do 2 more questions and then we'll wrap up the video.
Do you want
guys.
to choose them or do you want me to choose
No,
them?
go on, you choose.
How do you balance work, business, videos, gym, golf, football and relationship?
Fucking hell.
It's a lot of things.
Sounds like I do quite a lot of stuff, doesn't it? So, to be honest, at the minute, I've not really been playing much golf. And lockdown, we can't go gym. Football's been cancelled, so all that. But usually how I'd balance it is, so I play football once a week. We'd probably go golf maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. Gym 5 to 6 times a week, but that is like my time. Do you know what I mean? I go for like an hour and a half at the gym, and I'm still doing work on my phone while I'm on the treadmill and stuff like that. Like I'll reply to emails, look on H&M, Zara, ASOS, see if there's any new stuff in that I can get for videos. And then in terms of like work, to be honest, when you work for yourself, you've got a lot of time, so there's no excuses. When I was working in Connacht in the cafe, it was harder because I had to balance working there whilst creating content. But at the minute, I don't really struggle, and we spend quite a lot of time together. So Laura helps me get. Oh, that's the timer. Laura helps me get pictures for like Instagram, and then I'll film videos up in my room. So I'll probably film like 3 videos a week, upload 3 videos a week on YouTube. You just gotta be clever with your time, really. Like, that's it. You've just got to basically make a priorities list, get everything done on that list for the day, and then keep doing it the next day. And you've still got to obviously enjoy yourself as well. Like, we'll watch a bit of Netflix at night, have some food, go and play football.
Eat dinner at the table usually.
Eat dinner at the table like adults. Right, one more question.
Do you want a house one or a fashion one?
House, we'll do a house one.
Okay, do you and Laura go halves on all expenditure for the new house? What is the agreement?
Yeah, so literally we just said may as well
50-50
on everything.
Furniture, we just put the same amount in each to buy everything.
Yeah, so we got a joint account and then we just put whatever, say if we need to put there's 400 quid piece of furniture, we'll just put 200 quid each in and then buy it. I think that's the fairest way, isn't it, nowadays? And
there's no point being like, you buy this, I'll buy that, you buy this.
I know, because then you just don't know what it's adding up as. Like, obviously if you're going out for food, sometimes I'll just pay for it, or sometimes Laura might just pay for it. Maybe she'll pay on the joint account without me knowing, but that's what we used to do. But
we just take it in turns and stuff,
especially in this day and age now, it's nice just to be able to do 50-50. It's not like, men should pay for everything, or do you know what I mean? She wears the trousers anyway, so she can fucking pay for everything.
I wear the trousers!
She doesn't. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you've not already, and there's probably going to be a few more videos coming with Laura, because obviously we live together now. Probably do a few outfits videos, maybe a few challenge videos. If you've got any ideas, let us know in the comments below. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.
See you later.
Don't forget to check out Rose Gold as well. Our best accessories.
Oh.